Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Islamic Studies for CSS. First, begin by deeply understanding the official syllabus. This crucial step helps you identify the core areas and topics that will be tested. Pay close attention to the distribution of marks across different sections, as this guides your study priorities. Knowing what to focus on from the start saves valuable time and ensures comprehensive coverage of essential concepts. This foundational analysis sets the stage for effective preparation. Next, carefully choose your study materials. Opt for authentic books and reputable online sources that cover the syllabus comprehensively. As you read, make sure to create your own concise and well-organized notes. These personalized notes are invaluable for quick revisions later on. Try to synthesize information from various sources to develop a balanced and nuanced understanding of each topic, which is essential for analytical answers. Consistent practice is key to success. Regularly solve past papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and common question types. This also helps you refine your time management skills, ensuring you can complete the paper within the allotted duration. Pay special attention to structuring your answers logically and clearly, presenting your arguments effectively. Aim for clarity and coherence in your writing to maximize your scores. Finally, consistent revision is paramount to retain information and solidify your understanding. Make sure to revisit all topics frequently. Additionally, try to link Islamic studies concepts with contemporary issues and current affairs, as this often features in analytical questions. This approach demonstrates a deeper understanding and critical thinking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.